Hello, no. I did, yeah. They left the palace a few minutes ago. They will soon be there. I hope everything is on standby. Good. Keep me posted.
Holy go.
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 Holy go. Where is the queen?
No. Is it the meeting point?
Are you stupid? Answer my question. Where is the queen?
She went by to see someone.
You are a fool. You allowed the queen to escape. Now listen.
You near me.
What up?
Lord of Jesus! Eh? What did happen for here? You don't kill him. Okay, now this nonsense now they do for here, Abi. Now they use it for here, they do ritual. Wait, oh no. Is this the bundle you say I dey come? You won't use my head do ritual, not my head. You dey feel me? Now they mad.
You're welcome. You fool. Your head shall be used for the last ritual. You have proven to be stubborn, but today, this head will be off your neck now. Caesar!
Eh? You say?
Ha! Ah! Zubby! Ah!
Grandmaster, is it done?
Son of Ogoejiofo, where did you find such an animal for a queen? Killing your cabinet members, including your no.
She killed my cabinet members, including the Ono.
Yes. Somehow she got to know what was awaiting her. She's on the loose. You must find her at all costs. Because the fate of the fraternity can be jeopardized if nothing is done. You must find that girl and bring her head to me!
I will, Grandmaster. Bear with me.
Papa, we got to move for here now.
Why are you dressed like this? Why are you dressed like this, okay?
Papa, enemies don't want to let me rest. You they feel me? I got to fall back to my old color. Happiness not the street again. Papa, we need to leave, otherwise it go be for us. Where Chidi?
What are you doing with the gun?
Papa, where Chidi day?
Chidi has not come back since yesterday night.
Eh?
He has not come back home yet since yesterday.
Why?
Oh, Chidi stole my money. And I told him not to come back home here until he brings back my money.
What did they do Chidi now? Anyways, I don't get time for that matter now, Papa. We need to leave now, otherwise it go be for all of us. I go find Chidi later. Move they go. Papa, drop this thing. Move they go. Move.
What's going on? Okay, what is going on?
That's the address. She has a father and a brother. Eliminate them and bring her to me.
Igwe, consider it done, Igwe, Your Highness.
Don't fail.
Failure is never in my books, Your Highness.
You may leave.
Yes, Your Highness.
Isi mama ntokonezi ometere bulu
Hold down! No! Hold down! Get down! She's not
Stop now before I will whoop you slap now.
Stop! She's not around.
You see how they play with you. Where I begin then I go whoop you slap now.
She's not around. She's not here.
It's my the Yano Pata for you. You see how they play?
She's not here. What has Oge done to you? What has she done to you people, please?
My dear, no be my church, she shit. Now for King Church, now she shit. So if you know anything good for you now, whoop your daughter, come outside now. Or I go blast your head for here now.
What? No, now. King is Oge's husband. So he can't be possibly looking for her.
The Yano Pata. Be like go call King, make you tell him that Pata where the yarn. Buffalo! Enter that armor. Go lap and come outside. Whip and come outside now. 2 seconds.
What's going on?
Talk 2 times.
Drop that gun! Move! Drop the gun! Drop it! Move!
Papa, I beg now. Papa, I beg now. No do this, Papa, I beg. Hey, Papa.
Who sent you?
Now the king go. Now the king.
The king sent you.
Ah!
Papa.
Papa don't die. Papa don't
Papa.
die. Papa don't die.
Papa.
Papa don't die.
Papa.
Papa don't die.
Chidi.
Papa don't die.
Move bounce. They come for us. Move, come out.
Papa.
Come, move.
Papa.
Igwe,
What is it?
we are just coming back from the house, but we couldn't find anybody, even the queen, the father, or even the brother. But
But what?
We found the dead body of the man that just left here earlier.
Wait, I hear me, please. Wait now. Please, I'm sorry.
What is it?
I know the way I treated you was very bad. But believe me, I didn't know what came over me. I'm very sorry.
It's okay. I have forgiven you. Can I go now?
No, you can't go. Please now. Please now. Just find a place in your heart to forgive me.
Abigail, I've said I've forgiven you. I've forgiven you, but I don't want anymore. No, you made it clear to me that I'm no longer your standard now.
Withdraw my statement.
No, you've gone to university, you came back. You forgot that I've been the one pushing you. I've been the one that is supporting you in school. Making sure that you thrive.
I know.
You came back to me telling me that I'm not your standard anymore.
We can work
No. Abigail, it's fine. I understand. Right now, I am okay.
Have you forgotten the way I used to give it to you? Are you not going to miss all of this? Please now, you are going to miss all of this. So
I do not want any more. Take it to someone else.
You miss all of this. I'm not going to miss it.
I don't want to.
No, so please now. No, so.
Come and join me. Oh.
Enjoy yourself. You deserve it.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You see, after that advice you gave me, I took it, and since then I've had peace of mind. That's why I'm enjoying like this. I'm happy because I'm finally free.
Which advice are you talking about?
Have you forgotten? You're the one that advised me on setting my priorities right about the relationship matter. Yes, sir.
Oh.
Yes.
Your relationship issues.
Exactly.
How did that go?
It went well. I set my priorities right. Now I have my peace of mind too.
Glad to hear that.
Welcome. You say you don't want to join me?
No.
There is go drink.
Thank you so much. I have to go and attend to my daughter now.
Okay, no problem. Thank you very much for everything. If not for you, maybe I'll still be in the relationship by now. Thank you. I appreciate it. Say hi to your daughter for me.
Of course.
Go well. Hi, maybe smart thing. Like you wanted to kill me.
Chidi, I know say you go dey wonder wetin dey happen. I know you are confused. Even me as I dey like this, I no know I wan take explain give you make you for understand. But wetin I know be say the king dey find me. And we are not safe in this house. You dey feel me? The king don't send men, make they come find me, they won't kill me. I don't know what I do. I don't know why he won't kill me. But the only thing when I go tell you be say, you see this house, no comot from this house. No they walk anyhow because these boys, they are professionals. If they catch you, they go kill you. I beg, anytime when you know say you won't come out for house, let me know. I take go beg you. Papa don't die. I don't want to lose you. Did they feel me? Not only you ain't get now. I don't know why they won't kill me. I don't come out, yeah? Papa don't go die now because of me. Innocent man don't die because of me. I don't want to make you be next. You feel me? I beg. I don't even know where I go wrong. Go. I don't know.
Mona! Muna! Munachi! Your spirit is no longer yours to wield, but my puppet to control. For that reason, you will do my biddings. Go after Queen May. Torture her. Torment her. Make her wallow in pain that she will be left with no option than to return to this palace defenselessly. Go! 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 Atobanato. Kenken yichiri gwenye ozo. Klinkli kane klododo. Ntiadro.
What did they do for here? Eh? Hey! What happened now? This woman, why did they push me go everywhere when I go? What is it? Maybe they helped me before. What did happen when you change your mind?
Return to your king. Return to your king.
I know they go anywhere. Not by force.
You will face my wrath.
Lolo, you scared me. Anyways, thank you so much for helping me the other day. If not for you, I'd be dead by now. Thank you so much.
Return to the palace. Return to your king.
I don't understand. Why?
That is the only way you will escape my wrath. Return to your king.
What did they play? Make I go back to man when won't kill me. I don't understand. What do you mean by that's the only way I can escape your wrath? What is going on?
Return to your king. Return to your king.
I know they go anywhere. What did they happen?
I said go.
No.
What did happen?
Chidi. Chidi, I no go fit keep on to myself anymore. I have to tell you. I am being haunted by a ghost. I don't know what to do. I'm scared.
Which person ghost you dey see?
I'm seeing the ghost of late Queen Muna, the wife to late King Madu.
What be your crime? What's your offense? And why is the royal ghost attacking you?
I don't know. I did absolutely nothing to this woman. She would help me before. All of a sudden, she just changed towards me. Can't they wicked? As a matter of fact, she wants me dead. We had our differences before. But that was in the past. I don't know what they happen. This woman won't kill me. I beg you, no go fit help me.
Kill you. Things are getting more frightening. But I believe I have a friend who might be of a good help to us.
Okay, who be the person?
His name is Nonso. He's a customer friend.
Okay.
Oh, problem D. He's not from this community. He's from Amala.
From Amala? I'm not understand. What till you find go that place? Go make friend.
Trade by barter.
Where is your wife, King Zubby?
I'm sorry, Grandmaster. I am yet to get hold of her. Please give me more time.
I can see you clearly do not have any plan, since you find it difficult to catch her. Attack her spiritually.
How do I do that, Grandmaster?
Torment her out of her hiding place. Utilize the blood of those that have been sacrificed on the altar of the fraternity. The time is ticking.
this is serious. King Zubby is a ritualist.
Yes, now. I even just got a survivor story from a palace worker who barely survived it. The king isn't aware of his survivor. If not, he would have been in silence.
Are you serious?
Yes, now.
I was even pitying the king, due to his condition now. I never knew he could do such a thing.
Pity who? Pity that king. Who else would have known if not that the side they will just come up now? See, I might tell you, not all that glitters are good though. That's what I won't tell you.
The people need to hear this, so they need to be aware of this barbaric acts before it take over the whole village.
People need to hear it. Might know hear from your mouth too. Make you not be what they think. I beg. No try go lead this thing now. No try go lead them. Or else it will possibly take your life. Oh.
I don't care. This is my kingdom, and I have to protect it with everything I have.
Protect which kingdom? See, what if you go now? Now, what you go left from you now? What will you let
You worry too much. You worry too much. I always say you worry too much all the time.
Why I no go worry now? When you know say now you be the only sweetie where they take care of me very, very well. Why I no go worry? Person where get person where they like you. Why no go worry?
I will be fine. Don't worry. This is our kingdom. We don't have to stand up. Oh. If we don't stand up for ourselves, who will? We should go and look for people outside there to come and fight for us. No, now. We have to do it for ourselves.
Not true. Not true talk.
Yeah, you need to be going now before they will start looking for you in the palace, yeah?
Before we go, normal.
Normal again.
My neighbor.
I'm sorry, I've never been appointing down. What is it? This kind of greeting this evening, what is happening?
Nothing, no. I bring food for you, neighbor.
Oh, Chineke, for me?
Yes, for me.
Chineke.
Wait. What is going on here?
Chukunonso, who is this thing and what is she doing here? Talk to me! Who is she?
Abigail, what is this madness? What is this madness? Have I not asked you to leave me alone?
You are very stupid. So because of this thing you want to break up with me, right? Because of this idiot.
Neighbor, I'm mad with this. Why are the cutting?
Who be mama? Who be mama?
Are you okay?
Are you mad? Out of this place now. I say get out of this place!
Abigail, you are the one to leave.
Tell this idiot to leave this place. I'm going to have issues with you.
You are the one to leave this place.
Okay, let me go. Go. Get out. Thank you. What's she doing?
Leave her alone. Leave her alone. Abigail, leave her alone. Abigail, leave her alone. Leave her alone. What is this nonsense now? Eh? Abigail, leave her alone.
Those were very stupid man. And he goes. So you want to abandon me for that fleshed out. And also you should be proud of yourself that a graduate like me is dating a wretched fool like you.
I'm a wretched fool.
Yes!
Oh, yeah, leave. What are you still doing here with the wretched fool? Shebi, I'm a wretched fool.
Yes!
Hey, start going. Leave the wretched fool alone.
No problem. I will leave. But before I leave, I have something to give you. Nonso, I'm pregnant for you. And before I leave, you have to give me money to get rid of this pregnancy. Fine now.
You are pregnant for who?
For you!
What are you talking about?
What am I not talking about?
Did the pregnancy fall from heaven?
I don't understand. Are you asking me that question? When you were doing it, you don't know. Or you want to deny that you have not done it with me?
When last did we do it?
I don't understand.
Yes, now.
When last did we not do it?
We did it long time ago.
And so what?
If you are pregnant, go to and look for the person that made you pregnant.
Are you mad? Are you a stupid man? Are you mad? Are you a madman? How dare you accuse me of sleeping around?
You mad?
Who are you?
Why you go so slap person like that? You dey crazy?
Who are you and who called you here?
You get luck say this man no be my brother. I swear to God. I for kill you, bury your dead body. Nobody go see. Are you dey mad?
You want to kill me? Me, a home. Do you know who I am? You want to kill me? Oh yeah, kill me now. Kill me! If you don't leave this place, what I will do to you, you regret it. Out of this place. Out!
See, I would like make you push me first. I want to check something.
Okay, you want to check something?
I'll
push
you. They mad. They crazy. They mad.
Come on, get up. Come on, yes, I will come back for you.
Yes! Fight your fellow woman now. Fight your fellow woman. Although may not come time anyhow. Fight her. You are running, eh? You are running. No, come and be shouting now. Eh? See, thank God, though. I didn't know that there are girls like you. See, don't worry.
But bros, why you go dey allow woman dey rough handle you like that? It not bad now. For tear and one slap, make she day.
My dear, I have suffered in her hand. I have really suffered. Hey, what can I get you people?
Bros, don't be. Get waiting carry us come. Okay. The thing we carry us come now. Waiting we go like talk in private. I no go feel talk am here. I beg.
Private.
It is important.
Very important.
Very serious matter. Close up more.
Okay, now close up. No, go my house. We'll talk, eh?
Thank you. Guy, I hope that girl no come back to this house again, no, because if she try I pity her.
I'm sure she will not try it. I'm done with her for good this time.
But guy, you dey fuck up. They do like man wey no dey get himself. How you go allow woman to do you anyhow, they rough handle you? Wetin reach like that?
It's a long story. But for now, she's done. I'm done with anything that concerns her. By the way, you guys sounded scared at the shop and said you needed somewhere private to talk. What is it? What can I do for you?
Babasi, we need your help.
With what?
Guy, ghost they haunt me. The ghost they pursue me, won't kill me. I'm never ready to die. I want to protect myself, so I beg. Anything you go fit do to help me, Biko, help me. I beg.
I believe you guys were wrongly informed. I don't know how I can help you with that.
I don't do like this now. They tell me that you be the only plug. Where go fit show me. I beg, help me.
Wait too. Come to think of it, are you not the King Zuba's new wife? Yes, it's you now, the new wife. Please, guys, come and start. Please, I don't want to get involved with anything that has to do with King Zuba. Biko, come and start living.
I beg now. You fit help me on code. Biko.
I cannot help you. Please, sister. Chidi, I cannot help you guys with this. Come and start leaving my house, I beg, before people start hearing what we're discussing here. I'm talking and you're still sitting there waiting there. I don't want to get involved. Please, start living now. Chidi, start living. I cannot help you with this. I cannot help you with this one. Biko, what is this one now? Thing that has to do with King Zuba, Biko. I don't want.
What did happen? I barely escaped with my life that day. I have heard about the death of the guard alongside with the queen for a while, but I never understand it until now. If not for the help of the Queen Ogi, I would have been dead by now. I'm telling you.
Dead?
I'm telling you.
Ha! This thing is serious, oh. But why will the king send you and the queen to go and die? What will he gain from it?
My brother, I don't know. But one thing is certain. Those people who try to kill us are not ordinary people. They are evil. I think they want to sacrifice us.
Sacrifice?
Yes.
Hey. Why am I hearing this thing for the first time? Ha! I think this kind of voodoo art have been prohibited in this kingdom.
No. Those people in power are exploiting this act without knowledge of the people. Our kingdom is being ruled by the evil, and the general public are yet to find out.
I talk evil fool this kingdom and no go lie you.
Sorry.
But no wahala sha. No wahala. We go to manage small.
You don't get anybody where you go feel talk to for me. This is when this man don't disappoint me.
I don't get anybody again. You know say na only me I dey talk to for this village. Yeah, but na only me I know say we fit help us now. You could be like say that thing will happen for morning, destabilize am. You can't dey misbehave. You know they get yourself. I know say him go calm down. Na heartbreak. I beg just get more patience, yeah. I know say you know easy for you. I know say stress dey. Yeah, no matter of life and death. But I know say you go solve. Just calm.
Hi.
Who is just kissing small? Yeah.
Baba.
Make I talk to you.
Ah, nah, Baba. I dey beg you. No, my sister be this. This is a matter of life and death. Help us. If you're not important, I no go come meet you.
Chidi, I already told you I have no means to spiritual matters. How do I help you?
Oya recommend me. Refer me. Share link. Make I know wetin dey solve. Give me person wey know spiritual. Make I go do juju matter. If my sister die, you don't be you.
Chidi, who is this lady to you? Tell me the truth. Who is she to you?
Now the who now she now who is she to me now with the talk now? I been now you how you go to help me? That one no really matter now.
Before I can help you, you need to tell me who she is to you. Do you relate with blood?
No be say we no relate deeply like that. But now she employ me make her dey look after her papa. For years now, don't they work with her? We don't turn family. Her pains now my pains. Anything we concern her concern me. Now we she dey trouble now. I no go come leave her wrong. I got stamp him. Now why I come with you? Help me. Help us. It don't be. I beg.
Okay.
If you know important, I no go come meet you.
It's okay. It's okay. Let's get back to the house. Call her. Let's go.
Yes, we don't talk. I don't explain everything give her. I say move, follow her.
Let's go to my place so we can talk about it.
Thank you. Thank you.
I am not really inclined with spiritual seers and diviners. But I know of one, very powerful one, in my mother's village. Her name is Igidi, the third eye. She is widely known and respected by the people around her home. She's a legend. There is nothing impossible for her to do. So I believe she can be of help.
Please, just take me to her. I'm willing to pay any amount of money. I beg.
I will not be doing that because of money. I will do that because of this young man, which I have grown fond of. And if this matters to him, it matters to me. Moreover, I can never forget what King Zuba did to my ex-fiancé and I.
You are disrespecting me. To crown it all, you're doing it before my subjects. Be careful, Makanina baby will save you.
Do not be blinded by your rulership, Igwe. I am not your slave, but a citizen. And I need to tell you the truth, no matter what. Okay. Stop your evil. Because you cannot invite a snake into your compound just because you want to have a fight with it. To bite you.
You're sounding stupid. You don't love my people more than I do. So keep your stupid advice to your miserable self.
King Zuba. Look at what you're saying, King Zuba. You need your people. Just like your people need you. Stop what you are doing. Stop taking our people and our properties forcefully away from us.
I am too big to be exchanging words with a riffraff like you. One more word from that hole on your face and I will treat you like a slave.
I've said what I just said.
Okay.
Go down on this!
Season.
Go down! 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 Go down!
Make him lie down. Very, very stupid.
Just say what I said. Ah! I'll say what I said! King Zuba! Leave our people alone! Ah! 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 It's over. Leave our people alone.
Seize him.
Leave our people alone. It's over. Stop your tyranny. It's over. Stop your tyranny. It's over. I have scores to settle with him. And I believe this is the right opportunity to do that. Anyways, you guys need to rest. Okay? Get some rest until I figure out how to move your people. Children, come, let me show you where you guys will rest. Okay?
This woman. What did I do you? Why they worry my life? Leave me now. I'm not gonna run from you again, no. I'm not gonna go anywhere. I need to work, make it happen. If you won't kill me, come and kill me. Waiting. Sure.
We have an unfinished business. Back then, before King Imadi got married to me. Before you and I, we are ever crowned queens of this kingdom. We have an unfinished business.
Unfinished business? How?
You have forgotten yourself so soon, Madam Task Collector.
Your vegetable seller here. Madam, you want vegetable? Fresh one, oh. You're burying my rubber here.
Atimuna, task collector dey come. Task collector, how that girl no do rest? I think say she no will come today. Oh, person wey dey this line, as we dey talk so na this place she dey waka come. See, discharge her for me. Tell her say I no come shop today. You no see me, I no see you. You dey hear me? No, wait, make I carry my. Okay, cut am. Tell her say I no see you, you no see me.
Where are you going to? Where you dey go? Where my money? Make I tell you, the money where you dey owe, you go give me. Then you go add transport fare join for delaying me. Don't tell us that here they wait for you.
Now me send you. Now make they block me like thief. Now so thief they block people like this. You just block me, see me at the pass for you block me, say where my money?
I mean they call thief. If I dash you back hand slap, your head go land this
No,
one.
dash me now, make you know whether you go see 1 naira.
You dey owe 3 weeks. Now I pay all your mates don't pay.
Dash me, make I report you, go give you you no go see shishi.
Give my money. Give me your money fast.
How much be this money where you dey even use the embarrass?
You know how much you dey owe. I no go remind you. Give me the money, make I dey go. And add transport fare join.
You don't understand the kind of tax collector where you be. Go just the block people for road, they collect money from there. You be thief, oh.
No.
You be thief, oh.
I dey quick vex, oh. Mind the way you talk to me, young woman. I dey quick vex.
Every time you dey block person, they collect money like say you be thief. Now thief, you dey.
I be tax collector. Now my work to collect
thief.
money.
Now
give me.
You are a thief collector. You're not a tax collector. This is not how other tax collectors. I know who even give you this.
Come on, give me.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, make that money no pass.
Get transport.
Which transport?
No, give me transport.
Which transport? Let me send you. Let me say my no
now
go.
My work be this. Are you mad? Not be my work be that. I'm a tax
collector.
collector.
Work they do na
I
thief.
am proudly tax collector. I am proud to be a tax collector. Now my work be this.
Na thief they thief.
Give me my money. No
Which
my
money?
Time. Transport fare.
Which money?
I go slap you for
if
here.
If you hear shish, make I know wetin cause am. Which money? You know they shame. Go dey waka for road, they collect money from people. Okay, now give me transport. No, one day. You no go give me transport.
You want break my gate? What did they sup?
Which one be wetin dey sup? You dey craze.
You dey mad. In fact, your papa, your mama,
Your generation, thunder fire your papa brokos.
Before I close my eyes, open them now, enter inside, go come on my money, give me now.
Which money?
Which money?
I dey with your money. Be like say you not well. I dey with your money.
You don't put eye for me. After you don't chop my money, no make I ask you, or no will not pay for me. Or no will not pay my debt. Waiting give you the liver for you to come to the market and say collect money from me.
Now I know say you not get sense. Now I know say bomb don't scatter for your brain. You dey mad though. Oh no, who came to my house, come tell me say, King Madu, pay for one vegetable seller where they owe me money for 3 weeks. I been now you be vegetable seller.
Oh, are they mad? But now you the mad pass. Which other vegetable seller they owe you money for this market?
Answer the question. Is your name vegetable seller?
No, which other vegetable seller they owe you money?
I know you are vegetable seller.
Yeah, okay. I know you're a thief, but I will not take it. Go inside and give me my money.
Which money?
My friend, give me my money.
I don't get any money. Man.
Yeah, okay, give me my money. You don't need.
I go pay you.
Go tell me. Okay, you just say the place again, man. Hey, you say the place. I go show you. Go there. Go there.
You think I go?
Go there.
My.
Oh, I go get. Somebody go. Hey, I go. Hey.
Hey! Something when it happened 7 years ago. Now you carry come here. You carry your akpo for mind. Eh? Let me say you carry me for mind before you die. This woman, you be bad person, oh. You carry your akpo for mind. That one a ghost word. I dey sure say Yaba left there. They don't check you. Because if you like say you don't dey mad, you don't dey crazy, they need to check you. What be this? Come, how did you die? I want to know how you died because King Zuba no kill you well. Because if you say he buy you well, you no go get Murat to dey monitor me, they follow me everywhere. You suppose die, you be bad person. Spirit, they get unforgiving spirit. I never see spirit where get unforgiving spirit. You be the first spirit where I don't see where get unforgiving spirit. You get akpo, you wicked. You carry me for mind, you die. I don't even know, say I do something like that for you. 7 years ago. Eh? This woman. You carry your akpo, say as breast heavy. Now akpo na food this place. Now make everywhere like this. You be witch. Now small thing you take escape witchcraft. Person wey get unforgiving spirit na witch. Come on for here!
I do not care what you say. I want you dead.
Things are they fear to die. Anything will make it happen. You see that marriage, I no go back.
Return to your husband.
I no go back.
Return to your husband.
I no go try am. I will not do it. Which? Because they kill you, won't make they come kill me, John. I make you the first make I go there. Now your mission so that I go die. I no go die. I no go back to that marriage.
I am giving you 24 hours to return to your husband. Else.
Wait. What do you want to? You put Iowa, what do you want? You want to enter my body? Come on for. What be this? Which kind of restless ghost be this? Eh? Now my first to marry.
Majesty, how have you been faring?
There is fire on the mountain. 80% of my cabinet members were killed. And my queen is still missing. These are trying times, which I'm still finding it difficult to comprehend.
I thought as much, Your Majesty. May their souls rest in peace. Amen. But, Your Majesty, there are rumors flying everywhere, and that is why I rushed down here to inform you.
What rumor?
This may sound very disturbing. People are saying you and the late Onowu, alongside with other cabinet members who lost their lives, are ritual men who tried killing the queen and her guides. but ended up being killed by the queen in self-defense.
Where is that nonsense coming from? Debunk such rumors. My cabinet members and my queen were going to the neighboring village to settle a conflict before they were attacked by kidnappers. The kidnappers killed my cabinet members and whisked away my wife. That's exactly what happened. So please, debunk whatever nonsense people are spreading. They are just trying to tarnish me. Okay?
I am very sorry, Your Majesty. Very sorry. I will do everything within my power to debunk and eradicate this false news. I assure you.
Iggy is our old legend. She have lived for more than 200 years. Legend had it that she is a demigod. Her mother was a human, and her father was a great deity, Anuka, a god that fell in love with a woman and bet Igidi the seer. There is no problem she cannot solve. That makes her a very busy woman. It will be difficult to get in touch with her. It may take like 2 months before you can see her face to face.
2 months? Yes. 2 months? That's far now. I'll be dead by then.
Uncle, is there no way we can hasten things up? There is no time. It's urgent.
I don't know about that. But I can do anything to help you. Okay? I need to talk to someone. Okay. Make yourself at home. I need to see somebody, okay?
Who were the guards that escorted my wife on the day she was supposed to complete her second assignment?
It was Tochko and Samuel.
Where are they?
Both of them have resigned from the palace.
Fetch me both of them, dead or alive.
What is happening here? Have I committed a crime?
Tochukwu, our great king, King Zuba, demands your presence in the palace right now.
Over my dead body, I go nowhere.
Over your dead body, you said? You have to come with us now, or we'll take your dead body to the palace.
Nothing will make me go back to that palace again. Your Highness, I'm sorry. I'm innocent. I didn't do anything. I'm innocent. I did not say anything.
Who paid you to tarnish my image? Who paid you to dent my reputation? What's your game? I even heard you were involved in the killing of my cabinet chiefs and the abduction of my queen. True or false? Why did you do that?
Your Highness, I was meant to protect our queen and your cabinet. I cannot do such a thing like that.
So why didn't you fight and protect them?
You and your cabinet planned for us to go and die.
Where is the other guard?
He's dead. Chacha. Clean this mess. Fetch me both of them, dead or alive, and fetch me the last idiot. You will.
Samuel, what's this? Your life is in danger now, as I'm telling you now.
My life?
Yes. As I'm talking to you now, Tochukwu is dead.
What? Why? How?
You need to leave this kingdom now, or else your head will not be on your neck again.
Where do I go to? Leave this kingdom? How? I have never been out of this kingdom all my life. Where do I go?
Come with me.
Come with you?
Come with me, yes, come.
You can get my things now.
Get what? All these things will be a dilemma for you. Just come.
I have seen someone who is a close relationship with the seer. He advised that we should go and wait for our turn. You know, the seer knows who to attend to before the other, depending on the situation that brought you there. It may take a long time to see her, or it may not take time at all. The bottom line is we should go to the shrine and let her acknowledge our presence.
That's very good, Uncle. But Uncle, you have to take us there.
There is no problem, I will. We have to leave first thing in the morning. Okay, first thing in the morning. We cannot afford to waste any time.
No problem. Okay. No problem. I will let them know immediately.
That's fine. That will be fine.
Thank you so much, Uncle.
All right. Take care, oh?
Yeah,
okay.
This way.
Monarchy. 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 You have angered my spirit. You failed in all ramifications. I gave you a task, and you are here talking nonsense.
I tried all I could, but she is still stubborn.
Try harder. In my world, there is nothing like failure. Go, torment Queen Oge. Bring her back to this palace, or do not return. Go! Go! Go!
What is this? Eh? Why you want to kill me? I think so you be better person. You don't be better person, you be bad person. You want to kill me, Abi? Eh? You be bad person.
You must return to your husband. I will kill you if you don't return. You must go back to the palace. You cannot run away forever. Coward. Coward. Go back to your husband. Coward. Coward. Go back to your husband. Go back!
Your papa! I know they go anywhere. Marriage them by force. Instead of me to go back to that man, make I die. Say you won't kill me, make I tell you, I know they fear death. So go ask questions, not well, no. I know they fear to die. Now cutlass you carry for you and use and kill me. Things like they fear you. You the mad. Die! Just die!
This is the boundary to Igidi Shrine. Take this path straight and you'll find yourself at the heart of the shrine.
Are you not coming with us?
No, there is no need for me to be there. Just believe that Igidi will solve your problems and it shall be so.
Okay, Uncle. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. We owe you. Thank you.
Safe journey.
Thank you, Uncle.
You have come from afar. Welcome to the home of Igidi, the third eye.
Thank you very much. Please, where is she? We want to see her. It's urgent.
There is no urgency in the home of Igidi. She will meet you all at the proper time. Come with me.
They never take to attend to us. Hey, to us, what in this up now?
I'm sure they will come. Just exercise some patience.
We should calm down. We don't stay here for too long, oh. It be like say nobody they would come this place. It be like say only us stay here. I mean, you might be know they come here.
Don't talk like that, too. See this place now. There might be more than 50 people here, but you will not see a pin. It's only when they want you to see that you will see. So don't talk like that, Pico.
I don't understand. Now ghosts, they come here. This is where you say we don't see them.
Not be me talk that one. I did not say so. You hear me?
I don't understand because they put fear for my body. What do you mean by 50 people there here but we cannot see them?
I'm sure they will be with us soon. Calm down.
What are you doing here? You don't want to ask you.
They are gone to a place I cannot enter. Please free me and let me go.
You are mad. I won't let you go until you do what I asked you to do. I told you not to return here until you have achieved your aim.
I cannot enter there. The forces surrounding them is too strong for me.
I don't care. Find them. Even if they are in the bottomless pit of hell, find them. Do the needful. Queen Oge must return here begging on her knees. Else, do not return. Now leave.
I think it's time for her to arrive. Calm down.
Sit.
I said sit!
I was awoken from my sleep last night. A ghost tried to forcefully penetrate my wall. And I was wondering, why would a ghost overlook the protective wall guiding my home and still wants to penetrate, risking itself? And I'm made to believe that the ghost came for you. Exactly, great one. That is the reason we're here. This ghost has been haunting me for a very long time now. It's been my biggest problem since I escaped from my husband. And who is your husband? King Zuba of Aguba Kingdom. What is your relationship with the ghost? Great one, I don't know. Why does the ghost want you badly? This particular ghost has once helped me before. All of a sudden, she's after my life. She wants to kill me. I didn't do anything to her. I don't know what happened. Please help me. One has to find out the roots of his or her problems before looking for solution to the problems. First, we have to understand why the ghost wants you badly. In order to do that, your spirit must be trapped. How?
What are you doing? We came all the way here because of you. Now you want to chicken out?
You know what she talk? She wants to kill me.
And then bring you back to life. Or you didn't hear that part?
How can somebody die? You can't bring the person back to life. Is it possible?
You've forgotten the land you stand on. Eagle is no ordinary mortal. I believe she can do it.
And they run from death. Can't come here, can't jam the same death. Eh? Something that they run from. I don't go fit.
I understand you are scared. It's normal to be scared. But I trust Igile. And so you should trust her too.
What if she's not able to bring me back to life? What will happen? I will just die, go like that.
You see, a wise man once said that it's better to try and fail than not try at all.
Sit. I am ready. Hand over the calabash to her. Drink the last drop of the content of the calabash. Okirikiri ka na-agba ukwu ose anaghị arị ya elu. Ọ na-enwudeji na-ama ọgbanwudeji na-anụ ọmụmụ ewudeji owudeji achara ugom wudeji ọlata n'ọlata n'ọlata. What happened? Your husband compelled the soul of his stepmother to chase you down. She had no options than answer to his biddings. You need to unchain her, set her free, so that you can be free. How do I set her free? That I am yet to decipher. You need to go back to the realm. I'll receive you when I have new information.
Your Highness, the youths are protesting in the village.
What are they protesting for?
They are chanting for justice. For Tochukwu and Isaac. It seems they are members of the youth parliament.
I'm the chief judge of this kingdom, so I decide who gets justice. Make sure they don't come into this palace. If anybody trespasses, fire. I repeat, if anybody trespasses, fire. And if they are proving stubborn, mobilize illegal youth. Let there be counter-protest. Cause confusion. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Highness.
Proceed.